Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on PlayStation.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in PlayStation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Choose your country or region from the home page and now you will be able to see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on this button and you will end up within the login portal. In order to create a new account, click on the create an account button and you will be taken into the sign up page. Click on the create button and then choose your country or region as well as language. Then click on next and then enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, click on next once again and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your preferred email address for sign up within the sign in ID box. Then type in your desired account password within the password box. Type this password once again in order to confirm it and then click on next. After clicking on the next button, you will then be asked to enter your city, your state or province as well as your postal code. After entering these information, click on the next button and now you will be allowed to create your online ID. Enter your preferred online ID and then type in your first and your last name. Then click on next once again and finally click on the agree and continue button to create your account. You will then be told that your account has successfully been created. Click on the OK button and now you will be welcomed to your brand new account on PlayStation.com. After setting up a few preference settings, you will be taken into your account homepage. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on PlayStation.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.